I want to start something online. I want to create extra income. I want more freedom. But every time you sit down, your brain freezes. This video is going to change everything because here's the truth no one tells us. You're not unmotivated. You're not confused. You're not late. You're experiencing something specific that almost every woman over 40 goes through, and it has nothing to do with the business. Stay with me because this will make so much sense. Today, I'm breaking down the real reason women 40 plus stay stuck and the one shift that makes the building an online business feel simple instead of overwhelming. And once you understand this, you will finally see why starting feels so hard and why it doesn't have to. But before we get started, here's a quick question. Have you noticed that younger women jump in imperfectly, but you feel like you need a plan and a backup plan before you even try? And there's a reason for that. Let me show you. No one talk about this part. For women over 40, the fear isn't about what if this doesn't work. The fear is what if I waste my time again? Because you have lived real life. You have tried things. You have invested in courses or programs that didn't help. Maybe you followed someone's miracle method that left you more confused. Maybe you trusted the wrong coach. Maybe you started something and stopped and felt embarrassed. So now your brain is protecting you. It says, let's stay safe. Let's not start until we are 100% sure. And that protective part of you feels like hesitation, procrastination, overthinking, freezing. Not because you're lazy, not because you're scared of business, but because you have learned from your past and your brain is keeping you from being disconnected, disappointed again. So let's try to flip the script. What if the real problem isn't you, but the way you were told to start? Because most programs say build a brand, build a business, an offer. But women 40 plus don't need bigger steps. We need simpler ones. Let me break this down. Here's the shift that changes everything. You don't need to start a business. You just need one skill that can make money online, one repeatable skill, one income pathway, one simple learning curve. Women over 40 succeed faster when they simplify, not when they try to juggle between 5 platforms, 4 offers, funnels, ads, branding, logos, 27 steps before you can actually earn $1. No, you need one skill that creates small wins because small wins rebuild trust with yourself. Examples of one skill, it can be as simple as creating one digital template on Canva, maybe a digital planner. Maybe you can start Amazon affiliate content or just simple short form content, basic Pinterest SEO for products, anything which is small and doable. And let me show you what this looks like. Instead of starting a business, you focus on something simple like Amazon affiliate list. And you chose pick one age group, pick 10 products, and then make 3 pins, post them, and then just track the clicks, how it's working. That's it. Or if you want to choose like a digital planner or a digital product, you can create one template, post on Etsy, create one template, make a mock-up, post on Etsy, promote with one reel, done. The magic is in the simplification, not focusing on million things at one time, just one skill, one platform, that's it. Let me say something which every woman over 40 needs to hear. You don't need confidence to start. You need your first win, and the confidence comes from that. Stay with me. Here's where it gets real, because that was exactly me. I wasn't scared of failing. I was scared of wasting more time because after nursing, after kids, after trying different things, I started to feel guilty for wanting something more for myself. Every time I sat down to work, my brain said, don't start. You don't have clarity yet. Don't start. What if this is another dead end? But the moment everything's changed was when I decided to simplify. I picked one platform, one specific audience, one offer, and one skill. And I said, let me get one small win. And the moment that first small win came, it was like the fear just evaporated. My brain finally believed me again. And that's why I teach simplicity, because that's what saved me. So here's the question that really matters. What is the one skill you're going to choose this year? Don't think of starting a business. Think of choosing a skill that creates your first win. Let's wrap this with something special. Here's the simplified steps how to remove overwhelm today. Step one, choose your lane. Pick one of these like digital products, Amazon affiliate content, Pinterest content, templates or planners, something beginner friendly content creation. Step two, choose your platform. Pick one. It can be YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, Etsy, even the Amazon storefront. Step three, choose your outcome. What do you expect? Your one small win. It can be $5, $10, even one click on your listing, one sale, one comment. That's enough for the beginning. Step four, focus on repetition, not perfection. Repetition can build confidence, and confidence builds consistency, and consistency builds income, not other way around. If you want me to walk you through the simplest path for women 40 plus, I'm putting the exact starter resource I used. I'm going to link that down below. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you how women over 40 can build an online business without tech stress, without burnout, and without feeling like you are starting over. So make sure you subscribe this button because you don't want to miss the next video series.